Welcome to the session number 23 of the Word Power Made Easy. We are discussing about the words which are related to the action. Up till now we have studied around 90% of the words which are related to action. Now remaining few we are going to finish in session number 23. So let's start somehow. So now what is the good news? Malus means bad. We know already. So what is the opposite of malus is bonus. And bonus is actually made from ben, B-E-N-E. So benign means something good. Benignant means somebody is having a kind nature, good nature. You can say benignant. Benign tumor. Benign tumor means there is a tumor, but it is a normal thing. There is nothing cancerous about it. So opposite of this is malign tumor. Malign tumor means a tumor of cancers. Benignant means something good. Malediction. Malediction is a cause, and benediction means something that causes good. Malefactor, wrongdoer. Benefactor, good doer. Good doer. Benefactions, the receptions of money means the benefactor. Bona fide means something in good faith. Now bona means good, fide means fate. So fide is actually coming from the Latin word. The meaning of the Latin word of fide means fate or trust. Infidel. So in F-I-D-E-L. In means not. Fide means loyal. If somebody is not loyal, then you can say infidel. Infidelity, especially in the marriage one. So infidelity. If you are disloyal to your partner, then you are called infidelity. Say, do and wish. So dico means to say and phon means sound. So contra means opposite or against, and dict means to say something opposite. So the word is contradict. Dict means to say and contra means the opposite. Facio. Facio means to do or to make. So from facio we can factory. So FACT where things are made. Factus means to make, and ori means a place. A place where something is made, then you can say it is a factory. Volo means to wish or willing. So malevolent means somebody who is not wishing good, and benevolent means somebody is wishing good. Volition, the act or power of willing or wishing. If you please, placate. Placate means to appease somebody, to please somebody, to suit somebody, to pacify someone. So when you are in a placatory mode, means you are in good mood or in helping mood. And implacable. Implacable means sweet and friendly. The government was implacable in his refusal to grant clemency. Implacable means not in a mood. Placid, easygoing, serene, undistributed means when you are pleased with things as they are. For example, water of lake, sea, sky, mountain, birds, tree. So it gives you a placidity of your mind. Complacent. Com means together. So when you are pleased with yourself, then you are called complacent. The synonyms of the complacent means mug, to please with your position and self-satisfied. So complacent or smug. How to give and forgive. Condone, condone. Condone means forgive, overlook or pardon. You may condone cheating on one's income tax. Condone, Latin words means to give. So condone means to give, like donor, donate, and donation means gift. Now here is a prefix, suffix and a root, and you need to find out the English word related to this prefix, suffix or the root. The meaning is already been given in a green italics words. So for example, bonus. Bonus means something good. So benign, benign. Fate. So bona fide. And you can say fidelity or infidelity. Dico, or to tell. So contradict. Pre means before. So you can say prescient. Phone means sound. So telephone. Contra means opposite. So contradict. Ad means towards. So adulation. Facio factor, specify, to make or to do. So factory. Or beneficiary. Ori, T-O-R-Y, factory. Manuscript, M-A-N-U, manu means hand, and script. Wallow, malevolent or benevolent. Place, pacify. Placate, valedictory. Infidelity. Comb or condone. Dono means to give, so condone. Next, here is a words which is given in the green italics words on one side, and the red words which is a description of the words which is given in a green letter. You have to match the words with the description. So benign means something good, kindly. So kindly, good nature, not cancerous. Benedictory means of the nature of relating to the blessings. So this is benedictory. Benevolent, vol means to wish. So here tree means wishing good things. So tree. Bona fide means in good faith, sincere and valid. Dictatorial means domineering, giving orders in a manner pertaining to no refusal. So dictatorial. Placatory means tending or intended to pacify or suit or to change hostility to friendliness. Implacable, not to be suited or pacified. Unyielding, so implacable. Placid means calm, unruffled and undisturbed. Placid. And complacent means self-satisfied or smug. Here again in a red italics words, and the description is given in a green letter, you have to match it. For example, benevolence. Benevolence means attitude or wishing good or things for another. Benefaction. Benefaction. Benefaction is good deed, act of charity or kindness. So benefaction. Beneficiary. Beneficiary, recipients of money, kindness. So beneficiary. Infidelity. Infidelity is faithful. Infidelity means fidelity means faithfulness, not faithfulness. So 4. Violation. Free will. Placation, act of pacifying. Fidelity, faithfulness. Condonation, act of overlooking or forgiving an offense or transgression. Placidity. Placidity means calmness, and complacency means self-satisfied. So 9 and 10. So here is the words which are same in the meaning or opposite in the meaning. You have to decide whether they are same or opposite in meaning. So benign. Benign means something good, and hateful means which is something bad. So it is opposite. Benignant or kindly. Benignant means good and kindly means also somebody is good. Benediction. Benediction, malediction. Bene is good and male means bad. So opposite. Benefactor. Benefactor means good doer and evil doer. So they are opposite. Beneficiary. Beneficiary means recipients of the money, and giver. So they are opposite. Benevolent. Volent, V-O-L. Volent means to wish somebody. Well disposed. So benevolent means same. Bona fide means valid. So it is same. Fidelity, unfaithfulness, yes. Infidel, true believer, no. Dictatorial means somebody is having the dictator attitude. So submissive. So these are opposite. Placative, pacifying means same. Implacable, unyielding, same. Placid and calm, same. Complacent and discontented, it opposite. Condonation and forgiveness, it is same. Now here the description is already been given, and remaining and the spelling which starts with the English alphabet is already been given. You have to decide which word is matching with the description given in the red color. So tending to orders. So dictatorial, act of overlooking. Condonation, unyielding, hostile, beyond shooting, relentless and pitiless. So implacable, intended to soothe or pacify, means placatory. One's desire, wishes or unforced will, volition. Calmness, placidity. Self-satisfaction, smug. Complaints. Unbeliever in the true religion. Infidel. Kindly, well disposed. Benign. Unfaithfulness, infidel or infidelity. Involving a blessing, benedictory. Doing something good or kind, beneficent. faithfulness, fidelity, sincere, valid, in good faith, fidelity, one who does something good, bona good, kind or charitable, so bona fide, a kind or charitable deed, receives of kindness, beneficiary, able to suit, placate. Next, here there is a word which is given in a red letter. It is little bit of description, and then you will be given a three option. You have to decide which option is correctly matching with the words which are given in the red letter. To belittle, to means to disparage, playing it down. To be purposely confusing, so purposely confusing means equivocate. To work to the disadvantage of, militate. To slander means to malign. Lack of equality, so it is known as disparity. Phrase that may have two interpretation, one of them indicate or off color, so it is related to double entendre. Hateful, malignant. Ill will, will means wall, so malevolent. Kindly, so benevolent. Inflexibility or hostile, inflexibility happens when you are militant. Giving order imperiously, dictatorial. Self-satisfaction, complacency. Here is a root word, an example is already been given. You have to find out what is the meaning of the root. Par means equal, accuse is also means equal. Vox means voice. Nox means night. Libra means balance. Lateres means side. Equilateral means equal sides. Equus means horse. Pedis means foot. Pedos means child. Pharaoh means carry. Magnus means large. Scribe means write. Manus means hand. Post means after. Via means road. Militis means soldier. SOLDIER, soldier. Malus means bad. Dico means or dictus means to say. Wallow means to wish. Facio means to do. Bonus means something good. Fidus means fate. Phone means sound. Plaque means sooth. Dono means give. Traces questions and amateur etymologist. Keeping in mind the roots animus. Animus means mind. Equanimity means somebody has a composed mind. And magnus means something magnify. Can you combine these two roots from a noun meaning etymologically largeness of mind? So you can say magnanimous and ious, equinus. If equilateral means equal sided, can you construct an adjective of two sided? So it is ambiguous. Trans means across. Build a verb meaning to write across. So transcript. Transcription. What disease was the name of the erroneous assumption that it was caused by bad air? This is facio means to appear in English as a FEC using the prefix con. Together can you form a noun sometimes used as synonyms of candy, ice cream, something made together. So confess. So here we are ending the session number 23. I am going to put the PDF file in the description box. You can download the file and practice the vocab till you are getting 100%. Till that time you have to practice and watch the video. See you next time with the new words. Bye bye.